today.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Did you order already?
Yes, I ordered a pizza for you as usual.
No! I wanted a salad this time. Did you know the pizza has 384 calories? Salads are much healthier.
Why can't you just eat something without worrying about how many calories it has?
Can you just order me a salad instead?
All right, fine. But don't forget to clean up your guinea pig cage. It stinks in there.
Doesn't matter, I'll do it later. First I have to watch my top model show.
Did you hear what happened?
No, what?
Where's Dad?
He's not home yet. Why?
As usual, at exactly 3:30, the same family calls. Orders the same thing, week after week after week. It's not as if I don't like them. It's just they are, well, for lack of a better word, normal. But too normal, weirdly normal. There's the peppery pepperoni pizza for the obsessive clean freak mother. The classic margarita for the classic businessman, the father. Then we have the son, who always orders a pizza Hawaii, plain on the outside, but complicated on the inside. And last but not least, we have the daughter, quite a unique personality, and beautiful, not only on the inside, but also on the outside. With her, it's just thin pizza, with perfect layers of toppings, nothing I would change about it. To me, a pizza defines an individual. Each of them are complex structures of intricately designed dough covered in a thick, scintillating sauce and finalized with the toppings. Oh, but what toppings they are. Every single one of them carrying one of their numerous columns of trait, each of them symbolizing one of their multifarious characteristics. And all of this unified is what defines a human. For it is what it is it not? Oh, the dog got out again. Let's bring her back. Ah, here we are. Going once. Going twice. And third time's the charm.
Oh, that must be Gregory, the pizza boy. Good afternoon, Gregory.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Smith. Here are your pizzas. Oh, and your dog got out. Okay.
Dear, not again. I'm so sorry. Kids, pizza's here. Come on in, Gregory. I'll just go get the money.
What? Here are your pizzas.
Oh. Actually, I wanted a salad this time.
Wait. Don't you like pizzas?
Gregory, did you hear the news? There's a terrible drought nearby, and all the food dried out.
Oh, yes. We're running low on tomatoes and broccoli back at the pizza factory, too.
It's insane. We should start to prepare. I should tell my family. Not that they ever listen.
Okay, I gotta go. Here are pizzas.
Oh, later.
Later.
Oh man, you messed it up again. Whoops.